Let's talk about arithmetic operators. C++ offers a multitude of operators for manipulating data. You have unary, binary, and ternary operators. So unary operators only require a single operand, so that's basically like if we have -5. Binary operators require 2 operands, and ternary operators work with 3 operands. So those are the 3 different ones that we will have to know or come across anytime in the future. Let's talk about integer division. So if we have int num, 5 divided by 2, well, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, right? But since this is an integer, its output is only going to be 2. And if we have double num2, 5 divided by 2, remember doubles can hold decimals. However, if we use integer values, it's going to return an integer value. If we want a double or decimal value with our double, you have to specify a decimal point inside of here. So you can see these two are basically the same. The only difference is this one has a decimal point after it. We're going to print that out in the cout statement so we can take a look at it. I'm just printing out the first number, ending the line, second number, ending the line, and then the third number. That's pretty much it. If we look to the right, you can see we have a 2, and that's for the int num. We have a 2, that's for double num2, and then we have a 2.5 for the double num3, just as I said. Do you have any questions about arithmetic operators? Super small section, you can leave them in the comments below. We're going to continue our C++ study in the playlist link below the like button.